Fluffy the Bear's coming on. We do this every time, Ralph. Yeah, Ralph, we do this every time. One day this turn too. Hi, kids. Today I'm gonna sleep, but I don't know how. See, look at me when I sleep. See? Wait a second. This means only one thing. I have hiccups. OMG. Oh man. That's so funny, Fluffy. OMG, that's so funny. You farted. Yeah, you farted. He was about to sleep and he farted. That's so funny. 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 Let's watch another episode. Yeah, that's so cool. Let's watch another episode of Fluffy the Bear. Today, I'm gonna play with my toys. Come on, I'm gonna bring them right now. Hey guys, I am back from getting my toy. Let's play. You're never gonna win me. Of course I can win you. That's crazy, dude. Nobody can ever defeat me. Yes, somebody can, and that's me, and I'm Superman. My hiccups are still going on. I hate hiccups. Keep my toys. Oh. Ow! I got hurt. Again? Why? Why does this happen? Why will God ever do this? I wish there was no such thing called a fart. Get him. That's so funny, Fluffy. Yeah, that's so funny. Because I'm cool. I wish I had hiccups.
What? But hiccups? What do you do? Yeah, what do you do?
I think I have hiccups.
Really?
Yes.
You don't look like you have hiccups, and you look like you're faking it. Yeah, you look like you're faking it. Oh my gosh, you have real hiccups! Now that's something to get excited about.
What?
Hiccups! Woo!
Wait, do you guys have hiccups?
No!
Oh.
So keep on moving.
Wait. I think I'm turning into a frog.
We burped enough and hiccups!
Turn the frogs!
We're turning I can bounce through the moon! Whee!
Me too! Ribbit!
And I'm
Ribbit!
fired!
Ribbit! I'll bounce to the moon!
Oh shit!
What did you do? Ribbit! Stop that, guys! Stop that! Stop the montage music! Stop the montage music! Hey, what are you doing? Hey! That's a real frog! Yeah, guys, that's a real frog. Yeah, that's a real frog.
Fluffy smash! Hoo-yah!
You're running